Hello guys, welcome to my channel. As you can see, it's brand new and it's all about making money from home. In today's video, I will be teaching you to make $100 or more just to copy and paste. You don't need to film a video or even you don't need a camera. You don't need any previous experience and it's all free. Without wasting your time, let's get back into the video. Just type Rumble and head over to the first result shown. You can simply go through it and learn more about it, how does it works and how can we make money from this. But in simple, it is the platform where you can upload your own video if you want. If not, then you can just simply copy and paste the video from other platform. But make sure that you uploaded the video here, must be copyright free. As you can see, it will provide the industry high CPM and you will get the 50% of revenues here. So now let's walk through the register process. In order to register an account on Rumble, you can just simply click the register button down here or on at the top. Just click create a Rumble account, or you can simply create a Rumble account by signing in with Facebook or Google. As you can see, it's free. You can create a free account here, but for your information, it can also be used by the businessmen and entrepreneurs for advertising their product and services. But we are not here to advertise our product and services. If you have, then you can. Creating a Rumble account will probably take up to 1 minute. Just type your name, create a username, create a password, retype a password, enter your email address. Make sure that the email address you enter here must be valid. We have to verify it later. Select a country. The address portion is optional, but I highly recommend you to fill it up. In case if you don't have any withdraw option or bank account, they will send a check in your house. So make sure that you enter it correctly. Agree to the term and condition and click register. Congratulations guys, you have successfully created your Rumble account. But in order to upload a video in Rumble account, you need to verify your account first. So let's get back to the verification process. Just enter your phone number here and you will get a verification code. Just copy that code and paste it here. Then you will verify your account. Once you verify your account, it shows that your account has been verified. This is the dashboard of Rumble account. It obviously shows $0 because we have just created it, but it will change really soon. So let's get back to the upload section. In this time you might be thinking that you don't have any video. How can I upload it here? But don't worry, I got you covered. You can use your own video if you want. If not, then let's go to YouTube and search for any niche you want. Just filter it by Creative Commons, watch the video full until the end and choose the video which one you like the most. Now we need to download the video. In order to download the video, just search for any YouTube video downloader. For example, I will go with this one, YT YouTube video downloader, because it is the first one that pops up. Just simply copy that link and paste it here. And boom, you have your video downloaded to your computer. If you simply copy and paste the full length video, you might not get as much views as you want. So let's cut some portion so that it will be more catchy. In order to cut some portion, you need a video editing software. There are lots of them, but I personally use OpenShot, so I will go with OpenShot. Just download it to your computer. After you download OpenShot, just open it. Select the language which you want to use. Agree to the term and condition. You can also read it by going through it. Just hit OK, OK, next, and then you are done. Open the OpenShot.org, drag that video to the timeline. In order to drag that video, just right click on that black portion, import the file, select the file that we have previously downloaded from the YouTube and hit save. Drag that file to the timeline bar. Watch the full video again. Make sure which portion you like the most. For example, I like this portion very much, so I will go through it. Just drag the timeline bar to that portion, right click on that portion and slice it. Again do the same process and slice it at the another corner so that you have your own video created for you. Make sure that the video you created not must be longer than 1 minute. Now we need to export the video. In order to export the video, just right click on the red icon at the top. Just browse it if you want. If not, then just simply click export button. Then it will be exported to your computer. Now let's get back to the upload section in our Rumble. Click the upload button, select the file which we have edited, give the video a title. Make sure that you give it a suitable title. For example, I will write cat funny clip wearing shoes. Give it a description. In order to write a description, just simply copy the title so that it will rank high in SEO. Choose a thumbnail, enter a tag. Just copy the tag from the YouTube and paste it here. Once you click upload, you will get to the another page where it shows that video management excluding YouTube, Rumble only, personal use. If you select the first one, that is video management exclusive, then it will be reposted on YouTube. If it will be reposted on YouTube, then you will not make any money. So make sure that you select the video management excluding YouTube. Select that, and the down portion is optional. If you want to, then you can fill it, and then just hit publish. Now you are done. You have published a video in Rumble. Wait for a moment, they will review your video. After reviewing a video, it might get monetized. After you get monetized, you will make money. Just simply repeat the process again and again, then you will earn a lot of money. But keep in mind that every video you uploaded on Rumble might not get monetized. But don't worry and repeat the same process. It will literally take up to 10 minutes once you have set it up properly. So just repeat it again and again so that you will not run out of money. If you got some valuable information out of this video, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification so that you will not miss any of the valuable information and trick to earn money from home. Thanks for watching. I will see you in some of the next video.